what is a WinOLS Mappack? In fact, Mappack is a file with a KeyP extension that is considered a kind of format in WinOLS. This file can be directly imported or exported. This file determines the factor and axis, dimensions, name, and map location. For instance, there is nothing except the potential map when we open the Bosch ECU file here. Here I have prepared a Mappack for this ECU file here, and you can provide different types of ECUs from our website. To open a Mappack, go to the Project option, then Import Export, and then with the Import Mappack option, we open the file. Also, you can open the Mappack directly with drag and drop, like what I'm doing here. After opening the Mappack in software, you can see that the necessary tables based on address, name, and table dimensions have been selected in my map section. To utilize it like ECM Titanium, you must use the Mappack. For example, this table is Spark Advanced, and the address and dimension have been selected. When you click on this table, you can see the table's name and description at the top have been written in this section. In the parentheses, first the name of the x-axis, and then the name of the y-axis has come along together. The unit of numbers in the table is after the slash. Also, the unit of numbers in this row and the column has been written in front of the x and y axes respectively. Well, suppose we want to investigate this table based on this data. In that case, this table is from the series of Spark Advanced tables. The description section introduces it as a base Spark map type, which its x-axis is cylinder air filling with a percentage of air unit, and its y-axis is engine revolution with RPM unit. The number in the table is Spark Advanced degrees based on top dead center. If we click on other Spark Advanced tables, we will find these details valid. Therefore, for those who are not that professional, we recommend using valid Schiller Mappacks. In addition to making things more straightforward and accurate for you, your chances of making a mistake will be 0. Also, one of the other applications of WinOLS is making a Mappack. It means that if you open a file in WinOLS and select their tables, you can export it in the case of a Mappack. And when you have a similar file for remapping, you can open a Mappack that you saved previously and use it. Note: there is no possibility of making a Mappack in the demo version, and you should have the original version. Now, if you open a Mappack on this ECU file and remap tables listed on the left side, you can change these. Important note: to change remap tables, you should have complete knowledge of the tables, their function, and the correct number of changes. In the future sessions, we will teach you all the remap tables with their changes. And in this session, we will tell you just how to change the different tables.